Respected sir, when we are retiring, the actual concept of getting retired is not just to sit at home. Rather than it's an opportunity to serve in the fields where we have limitations right now being in the services. We can't do anything we want to do for the society. But I personally feel when you have independence, when you have all the moral independence, when you have all those things and you feel a long tenure and you have an experience from the time when you were cradling and now the time when you are superannuating, a great line comes into mind that this time has passed away, this time will pass away, nobody was here, nobody will be here. Superannuation is actually an opportunity, I think. And regarding the present scenario, I feel that it's a matter of dignity for any person who gets retired or gets superannuated in such an honorful way. And respected CEO Saab, I feel that with very core of heart, I feel that your tenure has been non-controversial in the entire district. And you have done everything. I remember that when you joined as CEO Ramban, when we went to the office of Sir and just welcomed him with some garlands, and then we came to conclusion that there was a large paramount difference between the past and the present. Since when we discussed, CEO Sir told us that you will never be in such a situation that you will be compelled to come on my office again and again. That was the line I once again struck in my mind that in Islamic perspective I would like to relate it with وَتُعِزُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ وَتُذِلُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ. Respected sir, I would draw some attention from you from our Quranic verses. We say وَتُعِزُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ وَتُذِلُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَىٰ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. Whatever respect you get, it's because Almighty has written it in your fortune. And whatever disrespect you get, it's also written in your fortune. And I can quite evidently say that when somebody gets so much respect I have seen, when you say about the difficult terrain of HSS Mahur, moving towards the Sanasar Bator, moving towards Ukadhal, moving towards this difficult Banihal, and everybody is actually very much perspective about that, we should come forward to welcome Mr. Devanand Saab. So it's very much evident that, sir, you are really honored, you have really done something for the society, for the teaching fraternity, and that's the reason towards you have got so much dignity in the entire district. And along with that, since we have the limitations of the time today, we want to hear from the dignified personalities. I would like to extend my warm greetings. And I would also like to say that since a new rule has come into your life, and we wish that this new rule in your life brings so much prosperity in your family that whatever you have done for this teaching fraternity should actually get replaced by the prosperity of your family. At the end, since respected CEO Saab has come here, sir, we were dealing with many issues, but today I can very honestly say that whenever we have come to your office, not a single file is lying onto the table of respected CEO Saab. And that is the quality of an officer. And as trade union leader, I many times wanted to visit, and I will very honestly say that it has been a rare perspective that when we actually got opportunity to visit CEO Saab's office, because there is not a single pendency. Every file has been so much tremendously taken up that nobody in the entire district of Ramban can say, although I can say that issues and their resolutions are part and parcel of everything. The issues come, issues go, resolutions come by today, tomorrow, but at the end what matters is, sir, the honor and dignity you have provided. Every single teacher, I would quote here, sir, some of the people who have got retired. I would quote some of the teachers from Khadi Zone, sir. They were in RET's scheme, they got retired, but they are still to get regularized. But your office has done a commendable job and you have made it, and today I can fortunately say that that very much teacher, when he told us that, sir, since last 5 years my file has been there. But today, with very evident resources, I can say that CEO Raman has told him that on priority this file should get taken up and it should be resolved within a short span of time. And he was praying, sir. And when you listen to the prayers on phone or on physical lines, when somebody prays for you, I will say that is the actual achievement for any person when somebody praises you with the core of the heart. And that is the case with you, sir. Nobody here is bored about, and everybody was very much eager to welcome you here. And today it is very much evident, sir. At the end, I would conclude with the great lines of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, who I think is a role model for me, and I many times have been quoting him. I say this is for all of us. Today you are getting superannuating from this department. Today you are getting retired from this department. Tomorrow it will be our day. But today the education department throughout the zone, throughout the district has proved it that education department is the most civilized department in the entire, I will say, department. And it has been proven because when education department, any person from education department retires, the dignified atmosphere we are seeing today, it will be a momentum we will carry forward in the future. And being a young person, since I say that you have the experience, you have the service of my age. When I was born, you were appointed as a teacher in 1989. After a few years, sir got promoted as lecturer. After only 2 to 3 years, I think in 96, you got promoted as principal. Later on as principal, right and principal. And I will say, my little experience as compared to your service, I will quite evidently say that you have created a history, sir. And this momentum, we ensure this momentum will be carried out. And every single person who gets retired from this department will get the same honor, because this ripple effect will travel throughout the demographies of the education department. Concluding with the lines, with the sincerity and the honesty that Allah se kare dur. Allah se kare dur to talim bhi fitna. Fir aulad bhi, amlak bhi, asbab bhi fitna. Allah se kare dur. I am talking about myself and everybody in the education department. Allah se kare dur to talim bhi fitna. Fir aulad bhi, amlak bhi, asbab bhi fitna. ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशेर भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे तो शमशेर भी फितना, शमशेर ही क्या नारा तकबीर भी फितना. Thank you very much. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.